In the heart of the forest lies more than just towering trees and winding trails. It's a sanctuary for your body and soul. The whispers of the wind, the rhythm of your steps, and the freshness of the air remind you that nature is the ultimate healer. When you immerse yourself in the wilderness, every breath energizes you, every movement strengthens you. Sport becomes more than exercise. It's a celebration of your vitality. The forest doesn't just challenge your limits, it restores your balance. Step into the woods. Let nature fuel your health, your passion, and your purpose. Reclaim your street.